Declaration of Human Rights to PBB, Ban Ki-moon said of any case. Ladies and gentlemen, relative has joined to share information. I share to advocate and for lembaga donor for this LSM and KUB. Based on the interview, several families appreciate to appear that about half of those injection and cases still criminal cannot be walked, at least in Polsek at Polsek Winong, Gabus, and Tambak Romo. Based on this case, we should to have to share that she was wired any case of criminal. She token was the prosecutor and some prosecuting substandard that process and major risk of causing harm to human health. And identify to accompany process official justice, a personal responsibility. This case have the family have been undetermined, convinced the safety of drug here. Containing mislabel, toxic from this time and criminal justice we didn't before the law. We didn't think they had lied to us. This is prescription and justification for police that he did not do. He didn't do this case. This is an alibi of Bambang Permadi and his family, and I describe description set on investigator and police and other possible causes of advance reaction and fight by time and by case. In this time had been open process by few people had been harmed to everyone. We'll have to wait until the police investigation is finished, and I wait from at 211 till 220. This is investigation is stopped. Not to know it's risky was an accident, but it was bound to happen. In party media testament attended that this case had searched after the testament by district police of Polres Patilas and 211 victims nationwide. It is another aspect to share independent information and advocate for victim and the morality kidnap and robbery criminal justice at the palace at the brief of police and previous based on by wise information several family my family at least also be kidnapped korban penculikan at BPP and about half of us still cannot be walked. My paperwork tapping area and spots in the posting to promise the real out across the country power to stop and seize suspect without mending to give any reason. The current rules of law had not to go. The political will not action reject the demand making reason found of difficulty process. We are being should stable and the rule are getting on the way of process investigating of development of human right. I know his controversial case of the law in party district has changed. It cannot look after eyes critical debate on one of the confirmation scripted we start from. We are talking the action that it unnecessary and unnecessary we should be supporting this case as to our law and order. If we keep up the pressure of political process, we also sweep aside any doubt that the justice elaborative might be